Happy New Year! Happy New Year, guys. Thank you so much for sticking with me from January to December 2025. This is 2026. Thank you so much for loving me just the way I am. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. I pray that this year all your secret prayers will be answered. This is the year we are going to be breaking boundaries. In Jesus' mighty name, we have prayed. Amen. Before you complain that hair care is very expensive, have you checked this channel? I'm about to share a hair care remedy that works like magic. This hair care spray is something you shouldn't miss this 2026. I always bring the very best on January, especially on first week of January. You shouldn't miss trying this out. I kid you not, who would have thought that papaya leaves could grow hair like crazy? Anything from papaya tree is very beneficial and helpful. Boost this video by liking and also leaving a comment. Just in case you don't know what to comment, just type thank you Dima in the comment section below. I think I deserve a thank you for working so hard from January to December 2025, bringing content back to back to this channel. At least if you don't know what to type, just tell me Dima thank you in the comment section below, and also say a prayer for me in the comment section below, and also do like the video. And just in case you have never subscribed to this channel but you come around to watch, also subscribe. So on today's video we are going to be making papaya hairspray, and then I've got fresh papaya leaves which I've plucked and then washed thoroughly. You have to wash this thoroughly. Place some water in the pot. I'm just using a leaf, papaya leaf, just one leaf. Then pour about 500 to 1 liter of water in your pot, but on this video I'm just using 500 ml worth of water. Allow it to boil, bring it to a boil, and then transfer your washed papaya leaves in it. Allow it to boil for a bit, and then the next thing you're going to introduce is hibiscus. You guys know that papaya darkens hair. Yeah, I've gotten a lot of persons asking me for natural ways they can darken their hair, and then I thought it's wise to bring back papaya. So in order to make it super effective, add about 3 to 4 flowers of hibiscus into it while boiling. Boil this for 15 to 20 minutes, and once you set your timer and it's 20 minutes or 15 minutes, turn off your heat. Allow this to cool down completely while on your stove before you strain. There is a reason why you have to leave it to cool down completely on your stove. Reason being that the leaf is going to infuse further, thereby enhancing its benefits or just loosening its benefit in the water that you're going to strain, if that makes sense. Next, once it has cooled down completely, go on ahead to strain. And then after straining, transfer this into your spray bottle. Your spray bottle is going to help you apply this on your hair. Now let me run you through some of the benefits of papaya before you think that maybe we are just wasting our time here. Papaya promotes hair growth by nourishing follicles with vitamin A, strengthening strands with vitamin C, fighting scalp issues with enzymes like papain that control dandruff, and adding shine and softness through antioxidants and fatty acids, creating a healthy environment for hair to thrive, reducing breakage and adding luster. Both consuming it and applying it topically offers benefits for stronger, healthier hair. For strengthening of hair, papaya is rich in proteins and vitamin C. Papaya helps build collagen, a key structure for hair for hair, basically reducing breakage and making hair feel fuller. So if you want your hair to grow thick, if you want your hair to be dark, you should consider using papaya in your hair. It reduces hair loss. If you're the type who have been battling with shedding and breakage, I think it's about time you tried papaya leaves. Papaya leaves reduces hair loss by combating oxidative stress, a cause of hair loss, and strengthening hair from within. Papaya helps prevent hair fall and it also thickens your hair. So, for those of you in Nigeria, papaya is simply called pawpaw. So, just in case you're finding it hard to get what papaya is, so papaya is basically the botanical name, but pawpaw is just the common name that we know it in Nigeria. If you're watching from other countries, Jamaica, name it, other African countries, wherever you're watching us, in any part of the world, please let us know what you call pawpaw in your area or where you're coming from. So papaya is very beneficial. So if you're looking to darken your hair, if you've got grays, you should consider using papaya and using it consistently, not just using it today and you're not going to use it another time. You should consider using it consistently. Do not skip. You can use this 2 to 3 times a week. You can use it as a leave-in, and while you follow up with your leave-in conditioners and sealants, please do not use this without your leave-in conditioner, especially if you're leaving it in. But if you're using it as a rinse out, be sure to deep condition before using it, so that after using it, waiting for 30 minutes on your wash day, you go on ahead to rinse it off and then you moisturize your hair. Papaya is very good. 4 years ago, I shared this on the channel, and a lot of persons have got a lot of feedbacks to share as regards to this particular DIY. So that is why I'm bringing it back. A lot of you are complaining of gray hair, wanting to darken your hair. This is just the best. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Let me also know if you want me to maybe shoot other videos on other parts of papaya that you can use on your hair. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Should in case you've got questions for me, please don't hesitate to drop it in the comment section, and I will see you on my next one. Once again, happy new year.